Hi, Junior 5 students, how are you? This is your time to study science with me in the science class, as we will study lesson 3 from concept 2, unit 3. This is me, Shaimaa Hamdy, and you are watching the Big Sister channel, so don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and press the bell button to get all the new notification of the new lessons, okay? Now we will start our lesson by activity 7, yes? So, are you ready? Yes. Activity 7 with the title Watershed Predictions. As last time we mentioned that the human activities causes what? Yes, causes the water imbalance as flooding or, yes, drought. Okay, so now, as we see here, what do you see here? Yes, this watershed. A watershed can help scientists to know how the water bodies in an area interact with one another. How, as you know, that the watershed is an area of land where water from different sources flows in one direction towards a common location like sea or ocean or a large river or water body. Okay, so this watershed helps scientists to know how the water bodies in an area interact with each other. Okay, as you see here, it is a stream and then it meets a sea or ocean or large water body. So there is interaction between the water bodies here. So now we will take another new term, which is tributary. Tributary. Okay, as you see here, this a drawing for the watershed. Do you see this small branch that I point to it? Yes, as you see here, this is tributaries. Tributaries. Okay, here another picture. Yes, this is tributary. As you see here, this looks like small water body. Yes, so we can define the tributaries as they are smaller water bodies such as small creeks or streams, okay, that flow into bigger rivers. So they are smaller water bodies such as small creeks or streams that flow into bigger rivers. Okay, where creeks here is a small water body like stream. Okay, so you now know that tributaries. Okay, tributaries. Okay, now we will study some human activities that on tributaries and affect people, plants, and animals that live near these tributaries. Okay? As you see here, this is a drawing that I drew to show you that the water bodies are connected with each other. Okay? As the tributaries, as small creeks or streams, flow into bigger river. Okay? And this bigger river flow into larger water bodies as bays or seas or oceans. Okay, so as you see here, the water bodies are connected with each other, and this is help the scientists to know the interaction between the water bodies. Okay, we know that the upstream, the place where the river starts, as here, this is the upstream, as the river starts from this, so this is the upstream. Downstream, the place where the river ends, okay? The river ends by meeting sea or ocean or larger water body. So here, this is the downstream, okay? So what happens upstream in the watershed affects the water bodies downstream. If anything affects the upstream, the place where the river starts, this will affect the water bodies downstream, the water bodies that are located in the place where the river ends, okay? If there is a pollution happens in the upstream, so this pollution affects the downstream, okay, water bodies. We need an example to make it clear, yes? Yes. As you see here, this is a watershed map, okay? The blue color on the map represent the water bodies, okay? Represent what? The water bodies. As these water bodies may be a large river or sea or ocean. Okay, and we have areas, okay, around tributaries, okay? As we have area A, if a factory is built near tributary A, the factory waste will affect the area around the tributary A, and water in tributary A carries the factory waste to other water bodies as they are connected to this tributary, causing water pollution. Yes, as the water in tributary carries this factory waste to other water bodies that connected to this tributary, so this will cause what? Water pollution. So here, as you see, what happens or affects the upstream will affect the downstream. Yes? Okay. Also, if a dam is built near tributary at area B, okay, as we see here, the dam will hold the water behind it, okay? And this will cause what? A change in amount level in other water bodies connected to this tributary. The dam will hold the water behind it, okay? So, in front of it, this dam, there is a change in the amount of water, and this will affect the water bodies that connected to this tributary. So, this is a second example. Also, if a farm using chemical fertilizers, okay, near tributary at area C. So, you know the chemical fertilizers that farmers put for the plants to make it grow well, okay, and to kill insects, okay. And these fertilizers will affect this farm waste, will affect the tributary in the area C. As the water in tributary C will carry the farm waste that leak. What the meaning of leak? Yes, go to the water. Yes, as it goes from the soil to the water, as a leakage of the underground water, okay? So some of these farm waste will leak to other water bodies connected to this tributary, okay? And it causes what? Yes, water pollution. Also, we have here a last example. In area D, as you see, if a trash dump is established near the tributary at area D, the trash dump is a place that all the trash or the rubbish or wastes are put there, okay? So, the leader of trash dump will be blown into the water in tributary D, as if there are some trash will be blown, okay, by air, okay, into the water in tributary D. So, on a windy day, the water in tributary at area D will carry this leader, this trash, into other water bodies, causing water pollution. Yes? So now we studied some human activities that on tributaries and affect people, plants, and animals that live near these tributaries. As what? As factories, building dams, or using chemical fertilizers in the farms near a tributary, or establish a trash dump near a tributary. So all of these will affect the tributaries, and then this will affect the water bodies as they are connected to these tributaries. With this information, we finish our lesson. So thank you for watching. See you next video, inshallah, and goodbye.